Here is my video bike check. I'm going to start from the front and move to the back. For the bars, these are animal sway bars, and they're 27.9 rise, and then the 27.5 width. I have ODI grips and Eastern barns in a darker blue color. Odyssey small lever with my gyro, which is the upper cable is Odyssey and the bottom cable is Odyssey 2. I have a profile stem and a snafu gyro. I have an Odyssey headset, and the frame is the S&M dirt bike frame. My forks are Primo strand forks, and my wheel is a complete flywheel with a fly hub, Flybikes hub, and Flybikes rim. I have the Duo stunner tire, no red wall. And okay, now moving back, I have the Profile Imperial sprocket in Profile blue. I have the premium cranks and the Colony plastic pedals. I like them. They don't spin. Very nice. A kink seat clamp and a metal seat post, which I cut down, and it's about 1.5 inches long. I have the fat shadow seat in black, all black, and the logo faded away. A KMC chain, Odyssey brakes, blue Primo spokes, lace 2, a shadow rim, shadow conspiracy rim, alloy nipples, and a Madeira hub. I have Odyssey brake pads and Odyssey Aiken tires, and this is how my bike sounds. Okay,